In this tutorial in Microsoft Excel, I'd like to show you how to quickly and very efficiently format either text or numbers using a style. When you open a workbook in Microsoft Excel, it automatically has a style called normal. You can change the normal style, you can create a style of your own, or you can use another style. Let me show you how. I'm going to assume that I want to change the styles for my months in this spreadsheet. So I'll hold on to January in cell B1 and drag right till I reach M1 and let go. Then with the Home tab selected in the ribbon, I'll click on Cell Styles. In the upper left corner, it gives me my normal style. And I can change how that looks if I want to. I'll show you that in a moment. But then if I drag over any of the other options anywhere in this pop-up, you notice it will show me what it will look like on my live workbook. And I can change it to anything that I see here. Now the names of these styles are arbitrary, just chosen by the Excel developers. It has nothing to do with the content of the cell. I can change the name, I can use it, but it's irrelevant. So I can click on anything I like and go ahead and just click again, and now that style has been applied. I can take the states on the left side and do the same thing, click on Cell Styles and click on anything I prefer. Let's just use Note for now. So that's a very easy way to apply a style to one or more cells. You can also use non-contiguous cells. I'll click on these cells here, hold the Control key down, click on these cells below, and hold it down again and click on another range, and maybe just for fun click on a single cell. And then I can click on Cell Styles and I'll use the warning text. So now those are all controlled by that. If you want to revert back to the original style, that's the normal for that workbook, just click on the cell you want to change, click on Cell Styles, and click on Normal. Now once you have created or applied a style to a cell, one or more, you can override it anytime you want to. I could, for example, click on cell I5. I could change it manually by changing the color from red to green. Or I could change it to bold. I could change the font size. I can change the border. I can do anything I like. And again, if you want to revert back to normal style, I'll click on the cell, click on Cell Styles, and choose Normal. You can also apply a style to the number formatting. Let me click on these cells here, click on my Cell Styles, and down near the bottom I can use a comma if I have thousands, or one with a zero. I can use currency with zeros or currency without, or I can apply a percent style. So we'll apply this one over here to these particular cells. Another nice feature you have in Microsoft Excel is you can create your own styles. Let me click on Cell Styles and go to the bottom. It says New Cell Style. I'll click there. Now I have a pop-up window. First thing it wants me to do is to name the style. I'll just call this Test 2. And then it gives me 6 options of features that I can control with my style. I can uncheck any boxes I want to. Once I've decided I like the name of the style and the areas that I'm going to control, I simply click on the Format button. Now I have a pop-up window that you see elsewhere in Microsoft Excel, and that will give me the option of deciding how I want this to look. Let's say instead of accounting, I'm just going to use currency, and I'm going to say no zeros, and we'll change the font of this style. We'll decide, let's see, maybe we want to use Book Antiqua, and we'll change the color. We can change the color to maybe a blue and make it bold. We can change the border. We'll do an outline and click on OK. And when I'm back into this menu, it shows me all the features that I have now assigned to this particular style. I simply click on OK. Now nothing changes because I haven't applied the style. But with these cells highlighted, I'll click on Cell Styles. I'll click on Test 2, and now I've applied the style. And I can apply that, for example, to every single number in this spreadsheet if that's the style I really like. And if I decide I want to change Test 2, I can do that. I'll click on my style, right-click on Test 2. I could do this to any of the default styles as well. Click on Modify. And let's decide that I want to change something. I want to change the font. I want to make it smaller. And instead of a blue color, I'm going to revert to a black. And click on OK. So I click on OK and that window closes. Click OK again. And now it changed the style. Oops, I guess I did not change it to black. So I'll try that one more time. We'll modify again. Click on my formatting. Click on the font color. There. Go to automatic this time. OK, and OK. And now it's back. So you can change your created style or any built-in style as often as you want. And again, to go back to normal, I click on the cells and I click on normal. I can also change my normal. I'll right-click on normal, we'll modify it, change the format. Let me click to one I like, which is Arial Narrow, and 10. Click on that and OK. And now that is now my normal style. There's no end of what you can do to adjust the styles to fit the way you like your fonts or your numbers to appear in Microsoft Excel.